So one of the reasons developers are freaking out about all this AI craze um, is, well, it's twofold. One is because people are actually losing job, not because of AI. People are losing job because companies are not generating enough revenue. They wanna whatever they're generating, they're sort of using it in different departments. Maybe they are investing more in AI, so they're getting rid of people. That's one. And the second is because of influencer. Because when everybody tells you you are gonna lose your job, and you're literally looking at that in the news, but you don't know if it's actually a side effect of AI. It's actually AI that's taking up the job. I mean, I don't know a single person who lost job because of AI. Okay, who was a competent person and lost job because of AI. That's one. And then the second is obviously, like I said, the influencer. They're literally banging on about um, how you're gonna lose a job, how AI is taking over everything, how engineers are gonna not gonna be needed. How AI is gonna build complex system. Maybe it will build complex systems one day, but at the moment it's not. AI can do a lot. You can tell it to write me a deployment script to add to Git actions. And these sort of things, AI can do that. AI can also build you complete websites, as we know. But obviously you need somebody to oversee, unless the website itself is literally the website for a small local business, where you know there's nothing too complicated. It's same as going into WordPress and putting up a new theme, buying a new theme, and installing a WooCommerce plugin, entering your stock, and writing the name of the product, and here you go. Your site is live. People can literally go there and buy stuff, as long as you're connected to Stripe or PayPal or other payments system. And that's literally same as what AI can do. But when you ask AI to do a little bit more than that, there is so much risk involved. You have to be really careful. For example, if you're working in finance, you're an engineer. Each decimal, each letter, each value, everything that's stored in the database, how it's stored, how it's being pulled, at what pace it's being pulled, how it's inserted. If something goes wrong, how do you revert all that? All that literally takes effort. It takes time. It takes people who know what the hell they're doing. And AI can't just go in and do it, because if you let AI loose, it's going to completely ruin the business. And we can see that, obviously, and all the news that's floating around these days. This system went down, that system went down. That's what happened to Amazon Web Services and all that. And we're seeing it. So you need competent people. And people losing job, whatever the reason is, finances, this and that, people losing job is one thing. And then the stupid influencer just going online and just running their mouth when they have not done any software engineering stuff. They haven't worked on anything. They haven't worked in teams. Haven't been involved in anything. They go online and they're like, the AI is gonna take your job. Then go ahead and buy my course. Well, how the hell is your course gonna help a person who's actually already competent or breaking into the field? Your course is gonna tell that person to use AI and avoid the fundamentals. Avoid the hard work, and you can't avoid that. And maybe these people, influencers, think the employers are stupid and they'll just hire anybody. No, they won't. So keep that in mind. Don't be scared. And it's not as crazy as it looks. Just people are losing job. A lot of people are losing job. But trust me, things are being so much amplified. You'd go crazy if you stay in your bubble. You kind of need to expand your bubble and start reading about other things that are also happening than just people getting fired. Best of luck.